All right, we just want to give an overview of the menu features and how to access those and how to manipulate certain things on your 3000 wall teller, okay? So the way that you get to your menu that's going to show the menu on your screen is through your little hole on your control box. Inside there's the control board, there's a little blue button. And when you push that button once, it starts right into the menu. So it says set service dates is just the first menu option. And so if you wanted to set the service date, the way you manipulate anything on the menu is through your price selection buttons over here. So for example, whenever I press 1, it's the day. If I press the 3-gallon button, it goes to the month. If I press the 5-gallon button, it goes to the year. If let's say I want to change the day, I want to keep pressing that button to change the digit. So it's going down. If I want to change directions, I want to pause and then start again, and it should change directions. If it doesn't the first time, pause. It's going down right now, but you can change directions by pausing. And you see it went up. Okay, so let's go back to the menu and look at some other options. Let's say day 13, and that's what we set. Okay, set service date. And the next one is the coin dispense. The next menu option, historical sales. If you want to see your historical sales, then again you manipulate that by your 1-gallon, 3-gallon, 5-gallon. Historical cash, that's just your total money that this machine has done since its origin. Okay. Interval sales, that's how much. If you want to do a billing period every month, you can reset that. It's resettable. And again, I'm just pressing this button here to scroll through my menu. Interval cash, same thing. Okay. It's just showing the exact amount of money. Sales by selection, you can see, if 1 gallon, 3 gallons, or 5 gallons. Cash by selection, same. It's just a multiple different options to check out your sales. Clear interval data. When you press that and you select that, then it's like if you want to every month you want to see what it is, you want to clear it out to the next billing period. You would use the 1 gallon to select clear interval data. Set selection prices. If you wanted to increase your price, you would press the 1 gallon button. And that right now this is set at 25 cents. If I wanted to increase it or decrease it, I would continue to press this till I got to the place that I wanted to set the price at. Same thing for each button, okay? Every button is settable. You have to set all 6 of them, all right? Back to the menu, set selection price, test VIN selection. If I want to run a test, is where I do it. Set rinse time, if you have a rinse function. Then timeout, like this is something that's important. If your VIN timeout is set too low, let's say it's like set for 10 seconds for 1 gallon, then the single pulse meter is not going to have enough time to VIN the gallon before the timeout shuts that off. Okay, shuts that cylinder. So you want to make sure that your VIN time, it's a safety feature, that if your VIN timeout needs to be longer than what it takes for a gallon for 1 gallon, 3 gallon for 3 gallons, the longer, then it would actually take to VIN that. Okay, it's a safety feature. All right. And again, you would manipulate by these buttons on each selection. Max credit limit, if you want to set that, a lot of people don't. VIN to pulses, that's for multi-pulse meter because you can't change the single pulse meter. Forced VIN off, multi-VIN on, if you wanted to. That's so you can allow multiple different VINs or selections for the customer at once. Billing, last service off, and then that's the end of it.